beginning, every detail matters. We start by prepping the food truck surface, making sure it's completely clean and ready for flawless installation. This project is definitely unique. It's a temporary campaign where we apply a new vinyl design over an existing one without affecting the original paint or graphics. Using a removable vinyl on top of an existing wrap assures that we can remove the wrap without damaging the base wrap on the vehicle. With a team of 5 specialists working at the same time, we ensure a fast and precise process. In approximately 6 hours, the entire vehicle is fully transformed and ready to hit the streets. With precision and technique, we get ready to install this beautiful wrap for Emporio Armani's new fragrance, aligning every element just to bring this design to life. Every curve, every edge, it's handled with care to achieve a seamless finish. With our experienced installers using tools, applying heat and pressure, getting all the bubbles and wrinkles out of the way so that this wrap looks perfect, and going around every curve and edge. The details is where everything comes to life. In a short time, this food truck transforms into a powerful advertising tool. Since it's a temporary campaign, this vinyl can be easily removed, leaving the base wrap perfectly untouched and ready for the next project. This is how we bring brands to the streets, fast, efficient, and impactful.